TTDC ni Fashingtui subject by Deputy Puni Sebok Telangna bagi Amjongmoni Shal Chaklajak Tongmani 9 tarik Jun Piaba 8 tarik Jun no question answer sheet leak engai thangmani Amjongmong Ungya sane sikangno tai Amjongmong thakjagi thangmani answer paper leak engmani bai siklarongni bisingo kebeng munga chalaimani tei kok silchamung kasamani TTDC recruitment board ni chairman Data Mohan Jamatia ni saknaya khlai samung tangmani baina omhai jingjal ajai jak sebok telang thani wohone lukurokni kok silchamung tongmani tei kwbang hasini lukurok sanmung tisamani bubagra Project Kishore Debarmani thaniwa hasini siklarok recruitment board no sbai katal board snamnani bagai tei Data Mohan Jamatia ni post no nori kubuni borokno rani bagai sanmung tisamani question answer paper leak khlayu hini khorok nei no ramjakmani chayan sahabai Amit Debarmano bahaino o party mungno tuino MLA Ranjit Debarmani simi chengui rungsrengnai mothadai kubuni bodolok TTDC ni CEO CK Jamatia ni thaniwo tei CM Purnachandra Jamatia ni thaniwo deputation dolaimani ADC bugra samung tangmani kahamke yapri romya khai samung tangu tei buskangni salo kaham khlai recruitment board no sabai katal form khlai yapri romnani bagi sebok telang thaniwo o jungjal party mungai thangmarok no CEO YDY deputation rejakmani ulo katal khe yapri romkha tei recruitment board of TTDC recruitment board no constitute khlai katal khlai form khlaijak phika tabo katal recruitment board ni chairman achuk thai eba bar jari jakha TTDC ni deputy chief executive officer Butulian Rangkholno member ni bisingo tongo TTDC forest principal officer Noresh Jamatia tongo TTDC RD executive officer Dilip Debarma TTDC principal health officer Dr Partho Debarma tei member secretary o tongo TTDC Planning Executive Officer Bibas Debarma katal board no snamjakmani bai buskango busuk bahai ke samung tangno TTDC hapang abro nasingjak nujasijak lukurok